Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 7 of the series tutorial. So today we are going to see the summary report of the previous video that we have done. So as you can see here, this is the external pressure for roof, the table at my left side, and this table for the windward and the leeward external pressure, and this table for the side wall, and finally we've got our internal pressure, which is the overall internal pressure, because the building has openings, as you can see in here. For building that for two sides are permeable, that's why we have internal pressure for wall and roof. So to get the net pressure on a structure on a surface, this is the formula. Net pressure is equals to P external minus P internal. So as you can see in this diagram, we have this is the portal frame. We have two types of pressure. We have internal pressure, which is negative internal pressure, which is the pressure that's away from the surface, and positive internal pressure, which is the pressure that is towards the surface. And we have external pressure, which is the pressure that is away from the surface, and pressure that is towards the surface. So to get a net pressure on a structure, for instance, go back to my structure. Let's say I want to find the net pressure on this particular column. So to find net pressure on this column, the only thing you need to do is get the external pressure minus the internal pressure. So that's all I have done in the summary report, as you can see here in the table. So for example, let's go to the first table, which is the pressure for the roof. The pressure on roof, gable roof, for horizontal distance from windward edge 0 to 0.5 h at 90-degree wind orientation, we have two values. We have this value for the serviceability limit states and the green one for the ultimate limit states. So to find the net pressure at this particular distance for wind pressure at 90-degree, the only thing you need to do is just follow the formula. Get the external pressure, which is negative 0.82, and then subtract it by the internal pressure, which is here wind at 90-degree serviceability limit states, which is negative 0.27. So go to my Excel. Okay, so I've got, what's my value here? Negative 0.82. So press equal sign, negative 0.82, which is my external pressure, minus what's my value of internal pressure, which is negative 0.27 at wind 90-degree orientation here. So hit enter on the keyboard. It gives me the value of negative 0.55 kilonewton per meter square. So that's why I've got a value here. Pressure for roof cable at wind 90 degrees 0 to 0.5 h, negative 0.55 kilonewton per meter square. Similarly, for ultimate limit states, negative is equal to negative 1.77, then subtract by, which is my external pressure. Then I'm going to get my internal pressure for ultimate limit states at wind 90-degree. So minus negative 0.59. Here enter on the keyboard, gives me a value of negative 118 kilonewton per meter square. That's why I get a value from here. Similarly, for every value respectively to the distance and the wind orientation, just follow the formula. which is P external minus P internal, to get the net pressure on the surface or the distance that you are trying to consider. So to put it simply, I've copied all this table and I paste it on this table, which is on my right side. So as you can see here, the first table it is the net pressure for roof, which is I get the external pressure minus the internal pressure, which gives me the value for all this. But wind at 90 degree orientation and 0 degree orientation, which is we have for upwind and downwind. So we have all the blue values, which is for surface limit states, and the green value for ultimate limit states. And here for the wind orientation at 270 degrees, 180 degrees, we have the same thing. We get the external pressure minus the internal pressure, which is down here below, and then finally we got those values respectively to the wind orthogonal direction or the wind direction. So next one, which is the net pressure for the windward, same thing. You have to get the external pressure, for example here, which is 0.46. So I got what's my external pressure for windward, which is negative 0.64. So go to Excel. Okay, equal sign 0.64 minus, remember it's P external minus P internal. So what's my value for P internal? Windward at every direction. So P internal, let's say for every direction, that is 0. Okay, let me start with 0. 0 minus I'm considering ultimate limit states here. Okay, ultimate limit states. What's the roof value? Sorry, serviceability limit states. It is 0.64. Okay, go here. The serviceability limit states, which is minus 0.18. Okay, here enter on a keyboard, gives me a value 0.46. So go back here, which is 0.46. And for wind at 90 degree, okay, 90 degree, which is equal to same thing. Just get a value above here. Wind orientation at 90 degrees, okay, 0.64 minus 90 degrees, which is negative 0.27. So negative 0.27. Negative 0.27. Just be mindful, you have to keep the minus sign outside and negative because the negative sign here. So hit enter, give me a value of 0.91 kN per meter square, which is 0.91 kN per meter square. So similarly, do the same steps for all the other value to get the net pressure for the windward side wall at every respective distance for every respective wind orientation. So in the next tutorial, we are going to start assigning all this pressure in MicroStrat. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, any comment, please do comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks.